Welcome to Clarkson, the city of hospitality, where agriculture is our community and we care about Nebraska's farmers and ranchers. Here at Clarkson, our businesses thrive because of this. Our community helps out those in need, or those just stopping by. There is a total population of 625 wonderful people in Clarkson, Nebraska. Our community loves to get together for all sorts of different activities. June is a busy month, where the Clarkson Rodeo is held with many spectators who attend. Another is Check Days, which started in 1963 and is celebrated at the end of June. Our community and surrounding communities celebrate Check Days. The weekend is spent celebrating our Czech heritage with a variety of activities and food, such as kolaches, strudels, and our famous sandwich, the Český budka. Lastly, our community gets together for sports. Our sports teams are made up of great high schoolers that attend Clarkson Public Schools. Clarkson Public Schools football team won state in 2022. There are several students that attend Clarkson Public Schools and Clarkson Junior Senior High. Would you dare to take the Backroads Tour to Clarkson?